All right, I'm trying to work out an idea for my next sculpture. I've been playing with ideas all week in my spare time, and still haven't come up with an idea yet, and I'm still playing around with ideas. I got this small artist, I don't know what they call them, maquette, I guess it is. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do an Indian. I'm just thinking of another subject. I just bought a couple of these type of plastic posing tools. I thought they were the same thing as this one here, and they aren't. They're not as good. This one's dynamite. I just wish I knew where I got it from. I've had it for several years, and I use it every once in a while to work out an idea, because a sculpture's got to look good all the way around. It's got to be interesting from every angle, and that's what I'm trying to do here, is work out a pose that is balanced, makes sense, and yet looks good from every angle. It's unlike a painting. A painting can be one angle, but a sculpture has to be all angles. And what I do is I put clay on this board and then press the feet into it. That actually makes the maquette stand up. I like that. I'm thinking he's heard something. Maybe a broken twig or a rock fall. He's on a mountainside, and he stops. I'm wondering if I should make this higher. Like he's coming down a steep mountain. I don't want to over exaggerate it. I drew these center lines on the legs so I can tell which direction the legs are facing and which way he's facing and which way the body's facing. I got his body twisting. Wait a minute, I think. I have him reaching for the rifle. The butt of the rifle's up here. The rifle is in a gun sheath, a leather gun sheath with fringe on it. And he's just getting ready to take the sheath off. Maybe have him grabbing a handgun in his belt. Leaning too far forward. What I've done is I put little bits of clay on the bottom part of the hand so that the fondue stick, which is acting as his rifle, will stay in his hand. He's got to be balanced. He can't be leaning too far forward. His body position has to make sense too. I like this. I might just do this one. It's got some action to it and emotion in the movement. That looks good. This is a great maquette. I'm going to do some research and see if I can't find this again. I got it on Amazon. All right, I've got to figure out what I'm going to do next. I've got to do some research over the night. This is going to be the size of the figure. It's a 16-inch from the bottom of his feet to the top of his head. But I'm thinking my base may be too short. So I've got to figure out how I'm going to adjust that. I went out and I stupidly cut this base down, this board down in width because I had no idea what I was going to do yet. I should have waited. Well, I never throw anything away, and I have the size I wanted to do. It's about 12 inches. Not 16. You can see the size difference. And this is a more reasonable size to work with. And what I'm going to do is tomorrow I'm going to make the armature of the figure and do all the posing with it and see how much wood I need for the base and then go from there. All right, that's going to be it for today. I'm sorry it's not much more than this, but it is something. But yeah, this is going to work out just fine. All right. Till next time. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.